lovelies, it's Nana Ange, and I'm back, surprise, with a video today. I usually only try to put on one per week, but I just had to get this up because I won my first giveaway, and I'm so excited. So it came in the mail today, so we're going to unbox it. And I won Dulce's giveaway. I believe it's DLC Nails. I will try to get a picture up here, and I will try to link her channel in the description box. If you haven't checked out her channel, do so. She is very creative. She just did some cake nails the other day that I had to watch the video twice because it was so good. So head on over there, give her a like, give her a subscribe, and tell her I sent ya. All right, and then we're gonna have a little bit of a TEMU haul that I'm gonna put on the end of this video, but I'm excited for you to see what I've got. Here we go. This is what came in the mail from Dulce. Okay, I did rip off the address label. Oh, look at the pretty sparkly paper. Oh, I'm gonna keep that. Just in a nice thin layer too, so I can keep it. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness! Dulce, I thought it was only going to be one thing, love. Look at these charms, y'all. Oh, look at this sugared heart. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, and this heart, look at this. Oh, and cat paws. And of course, Miss Kitty herself. Oh, so cute, sweetheart. Thank you, Dulce. I hope I'm saying your name right. Okay. Y'all, how cute is that? Look! Look, y'all! Look, y'all! So I've been using this $25 drill from Amazon ever since I started. This is just amazing. I have nothing from Young Nails. Where'd my scissors go? This is so awesome. It is the rechargeable portable e-file. Oh my goodness. This is too much, Dulce. Thank you so much, honey. Let's just take a little look at it. I probably won't be able to use it because I put on my nails this morning. What do you think of them, ladies? Oh, Look at this. Oh, look at how, oh, it has some nice weight to it. Yeah, I need that. Real nice weight to it. Oh, so cute. And look at how small the battery is. Oh, I love that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, girl. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Like I said, get over to her channel. Give her a subscription. Tell her Nana Ange sent ya. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Okay, another thing came in the mail today, so I'm going to show you that. This came from the cat prints on Etsy, and their new stands. I can't even just let you see. I have to. I can't do surprises. Look at these babies. Look. I told him I would like sparkly purple and teal. And this is what he made me. So they're like puzzle pieces. There's no magnets on them. But I'm thinking I could put one of those little magnets on it and use it with my diamond things. Oh, who am I kidding? I'm going to be ordering. He also has just the little single ones. I'm also going to be ordering them. And now he came out with some cat print ones, and so I'm going to be ordering them. They are super, super cute. So run on over to Etsy and get your pretty solid stands. They're so pretty. Okay, next up, I got a little TEMU haul for you. So thank you all for watching. Hi y'all. TEMU portion of the video. Here we go. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, look at this. I got this extra long desk mat for my nail desk. Oh, pretty. We're just gonna set that right down here. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay. Some little hand rests. All right. Of course, purple. You know. Oh, this is a camera light, I believe. Oh, that's a little baby one. I wonder how much good it'll do. Just a little baby light. Let's see. Oh, and it's rechargeable. So that's nice. Oh, that is pretty bright. Sorry, I forgot to get my other chair, so you're gonna have to listen to a squeaky chair on this one. Oh. Just a simple little stand. Ooh, maybe this would work better when I paint my nails and do my nails to get them up closer. Yeah, that might be a deal. It's just really cheap plastic, but it's purple, so we're good. Ooh. So pretty and soft. And look, it's got it like an hourglass on the bottom of it. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Oh, these are cute. Come on, let me in. Oh, yeah, you see? Kitties and moons. Kitties and moons. Cute. Moons and stars. Oh, I like these little hanging down stars. Those are cute. And planets. I have a cat eye solar system set in mind. Maybe you can see that better. So those will come in handy for that. Oh, these are cute. Perfect timing too. Oh, how cute. Aren't those adorable? Looks like I got another brush. Must have been on the dollar deals. I'm slowly but surely building a little giveaway. Ooh, I like this one better. Look at that beauty. Ooh, she pretty. Oh, and so soft. Ooh. And that's it for TEMU today.